We have a combination welding program in Richmond because the local area has become such a manufacturing hub now for the local central Virginia area. It seems to be a shift in the U.S. going back to the manufacturing and the skilled labor. We have a lot of companies in the area that do fabricating, they do structural steel. There's always going to be a welding job. There's always going to be a demand for a welder somewhere. My name is Jerome Dendler. I'm the Welding Coordinator for Centura's Welding Program here at Richmond. I am a military welder, 91 Echo Allied Trades welder machinist. So I've had almost 10 years of teaching prior to this. Came up construction and it just kind of fell into the welding world, and here I am. The first class hit the ground February 2019. I brought my welder from the house and we started cutting right outside the building with floodlights and the torch kits. It was definitely a field environment for learning how to weld the whole time, and they've all gone off and gotten jobs now where they're working kind of in the field, and they said that was the perfect experience. The best thing about hands-on training is a skilled-based process. It's got to be hands-on. These students get probably 85% of lab time. They've got to get the body technique. We're going to show you how to learn to use the Oxy-fuel cutting setup, how to do plasma cutting and Oxy-fuel cutting. We move into stick welding, which is the most common, and then we get into the MIG, the GMAW, or the gas metal arc welding. In the first 5 weeks, you're going to work on your OSHA 10, get your OSHA Safety Certification. So you get out to the field, you get to your job site, your company's going to be a lot more comfortable that you already know construction safety. We teach the program here, which you get 15 weeks of advanced welding. We'll teach you how to stick weld pipe, and you can get a certification for that as well. We also move into advanced MIG and advanced TIG as well. The perfect student would be someone who's really wanting to be in here, who's wanting to learn everything. You're going to take a little bit from this person, you're going to take a little bit from that person, and it's going to make your own technique, your own weld, and that's what I want to see, that work ethic. If you're here and wanting to learn, we will get you where you need to go. These students can go anywhere from, if they want to start in automotive, they want to go to heavy steel, they want to do fabricating, construction site stuff. They do really well once they start getting into the field and getting a little bit of tenure in, good hours and good pay. They offered me the opportunity to come here and build a program from the ground up. So my whole investment is to see these guys mature and move on. We're in their booth with them on and off the whole time they're here. I'm poking my head in the curtain. I got my hood on. I want to see what they're doing. I want to see how they're progressing. I put everything, literally blood, sweat, and tears in here to get this thing going. If you're looking to get into welding, take the time, invest in what you really want to do. You're going to find that process that you really like. And you're going to do well. You're going to enjoy what you do.